Hey everyone, ever cut into a steak thinking it is perfect, only to find it overcooked inside? We have all been there. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we are talking about the best smart meat thermometer that takes the guesswork out of cooking and helps you get perfect results every time. Let's get started. Up next is the Ninja WP100 Smart Meat Thermometer. This smart tool is built for anyone who loves cooking, whether you are grilling outside or preparing dinner in your kitchen. It is designed to stay inside your meat while it cooks, so you can track the temperature from start to finish without opening the oven or lifting the grill lid. One of the standout features of the Ninja WP100 Smart Meat Thermometer is its flare-up resistant construction. It can handle temperatures up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can sear, grill, roast, sauté, or bake without worrying about sudden flames damaging the thermometer. It is made from strong stainless steel, so it is tough enough for high-heat cooking and durable enough to last. The leave-in design is a big advantage. Instead of checking the temperature again and again with a handheld tool, you insert the WP100 once and let it do the work. This keeps the heat inside your grill or oven and helps your food cook more evenly. It also gives you confidence because you know exactly what is happening inside your protein. Battery life is another area where this thermometer shines. The Ninja WP100 comes with a supercharged battery that lasts up to 30 hours. That is more than enough for long smoking sessions or big family gatherings. You do not have to stress about it running out of power in the middle of cooking. Wireless freedom makes it even better. You can receive live cooking updates from up to 165 feet away. So while your food is cooking, you can relax on the couch, prepare side dishes, or chat with friends. The thermometer keeps sending accurate readings straight to your connected device. It also pairs seamlessly with its dedicated app, designed specifically for users in the United States. Through the app, you get real-time temperature updates and better control over your cooking. This makes it easier to hit your preferred doneness, whether you like rare, medium, or well done. Cleaning is simple too. The Ninja WP100 Smart Meat Thermometer is waterproof, so you can wash it without worry. It resists grease, sauces, and even outdoor elements like rain or snow. That makes it perfect for backyard barbecues in any season. The magnetic charging case is another smart touch. It keeps the thermometer charged and ready to go, and it even helps improve the wireless range. The case is compact, just over 6 inches long, so it does not take up much space in your kitchen drawer. Cook smarter, not harder. If you want perfectly cooked meals with less stress and more confidence, this thermometer is a great addition to your kitchen. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome tech content. I will see you in the next video.